about a car length back.
Hold on.
Abort.
We want to set this drift record, but we're going to run out of fuel, so we got to refuel without taking the car out of the drift.
We're transferring a lot of fuel in motion, and fire is probably the biggest concern.
You know, if those guys slip up and he's in the wrong spot, he's getting sandwiched.
Very low, 10-mile range left.
You sense anything, just unplug it.
Copy. We got it. Alright, Johan, I'm about a car length back. Keep that pace, keep that. That's perfect. Keep that, keep that, keep that, keep that. Keep that. Pumps on. We're good. Keep it moving, guys. Just like that, Johan. He's off the brake a little. Oop, 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 oop. Keep it. It's getting a little hot there, I think. Pumps on, we're out. Go, baby, go. Holy shit. Go, you're a bad man, Johan.
The biggest variable is just they don't know exactly how much they're going to get each time. My job is to make sure we don't run Johan out of fuel.
The risk doesn't change every time we go out. Right in there. Oop. Bail out, Woohoo, that's what I'm talking about.
To break the record, he needed 549 laps. He is above 2,000 laps right now.
We're out. Let's go, Johan. Let's go.